This will be difficult to film, but setup of the Wyze Air Purifier. Step one is to actually flip the unit over, and then on the underside, there is a locking mechanism. Now, especially when you first get it, you're going to want to unlock this, which, given a moment, is a little difficult to do around a camera, but you just follow the directions there and twist, and once you do, bottom door comes out, and then you have your filter, and depending on which filter you ended up going with, the unit will be exactly the same, except the filter that you start off can be the regular filter, the formaldehyde, or the wildfire, and depending on which you get is what this is going to look like. Once you unpackage it, you simply place it back into the unit, kind of seats itself back in there. We are then going to take our bottom and close that back up. Again, for my particular filming location, not the greatest, but give me 1 second here. So there are notches, but also things to line up on the bottom here. And then you click, after you spin it, you'll hear it click. And that's when you know you're done. All right, so that's the basic setup, because then you can just plug and play and go. But since this is a Wyze smart device, that does in fact mean that there will be some smarts that we can set up. But there you saw, kind of flash. We're going to get our smartphone out, and we're going to come over to the Wyze app, bring that into focus right there. And we are going to select add device, and we're going to select add device one more time. So camera, sensor, power, home, lifestyle. Well, it's either home or lifestyle. There we go, right there. Here is our air purifier. All right, so installation. You've got preparation. So if I come in here, all right, so it's going to walk us through prep. So this is what we pretty much did. Removing, plugging in, turn on the air purifier, just press the on off button up here. So now it's on. Do a Wi-Fi control setup. So it wants us to hold down the A and the fan button on top, which turns the Wi-Fi on. And now we can add it to our account. So it's searching for the air purifier. So it looks like it's going to use Bluetooth instead of actually having to add all the information in ourselves. Oh, there we go. It found it. So we're going to tell it to attach to a network. In my case, I'm going to do my IoT network and connect, which I found a little surprising considering I have so many other Wyze devices. I figured they would have, that information would have been kept in here. So I should have just been able to swap it over, but that is okay. And there is Alex A. Alex A finding a new device, wants us to give it a location. I'm going to say living room, and there it says Wyze Air Purifier in living room. I'm going to select next, and just like that, it's all set. I'm going to select finish, and there it's going to show me, hey, air quality is good. That was setup of the Wyze Air Purifier. Realistically, very simple to do.